How to install AWS CLI? Let's find out. Okay, now I'm in my browser, so let's go ahead and search for this AWS CLI tool. Okay, in the search field, just go ahead and type AWS CLI, install. And as I'm going to be installing this tool on my Ubuntu, I'll choose Ubuntu. All right. Okay, let's click the first link. And here we have an instruction how to install the AWS CLI. What is AWS CLI? The AWS command line interface is a unified open source utility for controlling AWS services directly from a command line shell, offering the same capabilities found in the browser-based AWS Management Console. So, this CLI tool is ideal for automation, repeatable workflows, and working remotely on servers where a browser isn't convenient. It's especially helpful in DevOps pipelines and for managing resources across multiple regions or accounts using profiles, but we will talk about that a little bit later. Well, now I'll try to install this AWS CLI on my Ubuntu box. By the way, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see on which operating systems you will be able to install this AWS CLI tool. So here's my console here, and I have Mac and Linux. Well, in order to install it onto your Mac, this is pretty simple. You just go ahead and type brew install AWS CLI, and there you go, right? But I already have it installed, so let's just check it out. Version. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I already have it installed. Let's check if I have the latest version in my Mac. Brew info AWS CLI. And it says that I have pretty much the same version of the AWS CLI. So let's go ahead and switch to my Linux box, which is a virtual machine that I'm using here, and check if I have it installed. Version. No, we don't have it installed. So let's go ahead and return to our browser and find out how to install it. Okay, we're back to our browser. So I'm going to choose Linux, and we have a little bit of explanations here, and there's a warning. If you already have AWS CLI installed, probably by a package manager of your Linux, well, it's highly recommended to remove it first. So there's a command line installer for Linux x86 and Linux ARM. So my virtual machine is ARM based. So I'm going to be choosing this Linux ARM, and down below, I'll go ahead and copy this command and return back to my console. Okay, now let's go ahead and just copy and paste it and run the command. It'll download the package, the zip file, and as you can see, we don't have unzip here. So first, let's go ahead and install this unzip or zip or whatever it's required. Install unzip. Oh, of course, sudo apt install unzip. All right, too many typos. Okay, we've just installed both zip in and unzip, and let's go ahead and try this command all over again. Okay, it was pretty quick, and now we can check if we have it installed. Version. Yeah, there you go. Now we have pretty much the same version installed on our Linux box. So in our next video, we will create our first profile and create an S3 bucket using AWS CLI. And now guys, thanks for watching this video and hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.